And it's time for another PulseWave report with yours truly, the Algo Capitalist, aka the Vulcan, coming to you live from PulseWaveTrading.com, home of the world famous PulseWave Price Trigger reports. All right, so I have been in the lab once again all day. As soon as I finished that morning report, I went right back into the lab. I had found some things I needed to get worked on and fixed and repaired, and we're all done. I got my tickets in and I'm good to go. Hopefully everyone has received their marching orders on the dashboard on your account. When you log in, you should see everything there. And also, thank you for bringing it to my attention. One of our PulseWave subscribers brought it to my attention that the hook 'em up forex pairs that I had done for our ONA individuals who use ONA was not updating properly. So I went ahead and I fixed that. Thanks for bringing it to my attention. If you go to your dashboard, you'll notice that the forex has been corrected. What I did was I added it to the regular forex report and to the forex. I can't think straight. What do you call it? The advanced reports. So the forex reports have been repaired. Those are updated and done. Just wanted to bring that to you guys' attention. Also, the futures reports I updated as well. If you still see any problems that I may have missed, just bring it to my attention and I will get on it promptly. All right, because now I know where the issues were coming, so I was able to fix it. All right, so we're good to go now. All right, so here we go. All right, first one we got here is gold futures. As you can see here, we came into it this week with a rally alert, got that upside production, and now the market's kind of halted. I think these bears are about to sneak back up in here and knock this thing back down again. We will see if I'm right, but right now, gold is right at that resistance zone. Taking a look over here at Ethereum. So Ethereum, we started off with a rally alert from Sunday, and we did get some upside production today, and it's looking like Ethereum wants to test that 2200 mark. So 2200 is the next upside target that we have for Ethereum. All right, so you should be happy and long Ethereum. Next up, we got the euro dollar. All right, so the euro dollar bouncing off the lows. We got this rally alert from a few sessions ago, and now we're approaching the overhead resistance zone here as well. Let's see if it can punch through and keep on going. Overhead trend line resistance is the initial target on this if it can get there. Next up, we got the XRP Ripple. Look at the XRP Ripple. We got that rally alert and on Sunday night, and then look at this. Bam! Just explosion city. We like stuff like this. This is what we're talking about. So we're watching it. Hopefully it will continue to perform, and that's what we want to see here. Taking out that pointer from way back here. That's what we're talking about. Next up, we got the NASDAQ 100 futures. All right, it rallied powerfully today. Your rally alert was way back here, and you can see the bulls have maintained control of this, refusing to let the market fall, and that's how it is. Very interesting how these markets are moving right now. I still think, though, that this is a crossroads. Either the bulls are going to be successful or the bears are going to come in here and bang it down again. Once it gets closer to here, they're not going to let it take it out, and then they could come in here and knock this thing down again. So this is a danger zone. Hopefully we'll see what happens here. All right, so crude oil futures. Here's your oil. Bears have been selling every rally getting smoked, rally, smoke, rally, and smoke. So bears are in control of this one. Looks like it could roll off the cliff and drop below $50 a barrel. That will be interesting. Russell my hustle, the weakest of the stock indexes. Crash alert after we hit that top, then we got that drop. crash alert after we hit that top, and now we're starting to get that drop again. Today was day one, all right, of the alert. So you got your alert. I think we're about to see a leg like this one, so this could put this one over the cliff and sub 2,000. Have we topped out? Is the Russell warning us that the market has topped out? Dun, 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 dun. That is the question. We shall see. Have your trade tickets ready, people. Next up is silver futures. So you can see here we got that crash alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading. We did not get the crash alert in the gold, but you're going to need to watch for the intraday price inflection points if you're trading gold futures using the dashboard. Follow the instructions therewith. And with the silver, you already got your marching orders. There it is right there. Handle your business. Next up is the Australian dollar on the forex side. So the bulls are still in control, but this overhead trend line resistance is real. Can the bulls get this thing to push through is the question. If we do, right here at the bottom of the Kumo cloud is going to be the target for the run. Next up, we got the mighty Bitcoin. So here's Bitcoin. We came into today with the rally alert from Sunday, and we got that little bit of upside production. I think this one still wants to run, though. I think it wants to, get a nice solid close on the week above 60,000. So that is what I'm looking for. I'm looking for a close above 60,000 this week on the Bitcoin. That would be pretty fat because then that builds the base to get us to 65. All right, so these are some exciting times that we're seeing in the crypto world. All right, next up, sticking to the cryptos, we got the DOT. All right, so DOT has a crash alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading on the DOT. But we got this bullish pointer, so I'm not going to be surprised if I don't get any downside. If anything, we may get a narrow range type of an inside day going into tomorrow, setting up a catapult for another test if we fail to take it out tonight into tomorrow. If we fail to take this out and we pull back a bit, I think we might get another run up at it. All right, so definitely locked and loaded on the DOT. Been watching it like a hawk. All right, last but not least is our EOS. All right, so we came into today with a rally alert here from Sunday. Got that nice upside production, and I think this one wants to probably take out 10 bucks, maybe even 12. So I am liking what I'm seeing on the EOS chart. All right, I see you guys got your hands up in the live. You want to see a little let me see what I can find for you real quick. Let me see what I can find for you. You want to see the VIX futures. I might have that up. Let me see. I might have that up. I could have sworn I seen it. So just give me a second. Here we go. All right. Let's see what we got here. Okay, here's your VIX futures. So your VIX futures is below 20, that's for sure. You're below 20, you're taking out the prior lows and heading lower. So there is absolutely no fear in the market. All right, they are partying like it's 1999, or should I say like it's 1929, June 1929. They partying right now. All right, the VIX is dropping. All right, it's just dropping. It's not doing nothing but falling like the bond futures market. I can't tell the difference between this chart and TLT. All right, let's see what else we got. You want to take a look at GDX. All right, let's see what your GDX got going on. Probably not much since gold is losing its luster here. Let's see. Am I right? Yes. All right, so it's struggling, hanging on for life. So it's right at the resistance. I think we're going to get another crash alert. I think it's going to fall back here, especially if gold futures fall and drop tonight. You can say, you can kiss this high right here goodbye. It's going to come down and take it out. All right, so it's in danger right now of taking it out. This is a crossroads, you know. Look at all these other failed resistances at the trend line. All right, the trend line has been a pretty powerful resistance zone for gold right now. So it's not looking good. You had your rally alert, you got your upside production, but I think that may be it because it's obeying right here at the trend line and the bottom of the Kumo cloud, acting as real tough resistance. So I think that might be a wrap. You know what I'm saying? It might be. I'm not sure. I'm not going to call it yet, but it's just looking like it. You know, you got to trade what you see. So just follow the dashboard and you should be all right. Follow the dashboard. All right, you want to see ADA on the ASX? Okay. Is that ADBE Technologies, my man? I think that's what you want, right? All right, so here it is. ADA on the ASX, ADBE Technologies. All right, you got a rally alert for tomorrow's trading. And I want to say right here at the bottom of the Kumo cloud, around the $1 mark is going to be the initial target on this particular move. All right, now you want to see S32. All right, let's see what we got. Let's see, S32. All right, that is South 32, I believe, on the ASX. Let's see what we got. All right. Okay, so let me see here. All right, so you got this rally alert coming in the last few trading sessions, and now you're just kind of moving sideways, but the bulls are still in control of this one. All things being equal, looks like this one wants to try to retest the $2.95 to $3 zone. Yeah. So that's what it's looking like it wants to do. Oh, you want to see ADA Cardano on the crypto? All right, I got you. Hold on. I got you. All right, so on the crypto side, here we go. All right, so ADA Cardano is moving sideways for the last several sessions. For the last 7 trading days, we've been moving sideways. Market isn't going anywhere. It's just flat. You did have this rally alert. You got the initial push up, and it's just kind of hanging here. So I'm going to go with the system and say the bulls have it for now, even though you don't have a lot of momentum here, pretty much flat. So they have it for now. And you could move up toward the $140 level. But you do have this bearish pointer back here. So I don't know. This bearish pointer is concerning. So what I'm thinking, since we got this bearish pointer here, and we got this little baby bullish pointer here, this will probably mark your resistance, your top, and this will mark your bottom. So I think we're just going to trade within this wide zone for the foreseeable future. Because if you look at it, that's exactly what we've been doing. We've been obeying this bar, your high bar here and your low bar here. You're just trading in this flat zone, so I don't see it going anywhere from here. So I would call it sideways to slightly higher for the next few trading sessions on that one. All right. All right. You want to see Zoom. All right. Hold on here. We're going to get you straight. You want to see Zoom. What we got? ZM. All right. Zoom video. All right. So here we are. So we got Zoom video. The ticker is ZM. All right. So this one's trading on the NASDAQ. We got a crash alert for tomorrow's trading on this one. It has been in a bearish pattern for some time, as you can see here. Your initial crash alert was back here. You got this first downward thrust, which was pretty powerful. Then you got another crash alert here. You got this down leg, which was just as devastating. Then you got another crash alert here. You got this down leg that was devastating. Then you had this one here and this one right here. That was not as bad, but still lower. And now you got this one. So yeah, this is in a bear market. See, bearish, grizzly red bear in the bottom right-hand corner. So yeah, this one's going down. All right, BNB Binance. Yeah, that used to be one that we covered, but I don't think we've been covering it for a while. I took it off. No, I take that back. BNB, I do have it. See, I don't even know what I have anymore. I just do the reports and keep going. We're talking thousands of securities. Hard for me to keep, track all of them. So my bad. All right, here's BNB. So your rally alert was like 2 weeks ago. Here's your rally alert here. Here's all your upside production, and it's heading toward 400. So 400 is the next target on the upside on the BNB. Wow, I need to start looking at that one myself. That's looking nice, man. If I must say so myself, that chart's looking nice. All right, let's see. You want to see the Mexican? Okay. All right, let's see. Let me see what's up with that peso for you. I try, my man. I try. All right, let's see here. No, I don't want to go there. I want to go here. All right, let's see. All right, here is your Mexican peso. Okay. I don't know if you guys can see like the top right here where it has the names. So let me do the chart and then I'll explain to you what I'm talking about. Okay, so here's your Mexican peso. As you can see here, we went a long time with the bears in control of this one. Your last alert was back here, this crash alert. You got all this downside production, right? The bears stayed with it, kept control of the market, even when you got this little dead cat bounce set up for the next leg down. Bears still held on. Now we got this rally alert. We came on Sunday. Today we got that upside production, but then we kind of closed flat. So the bulls are still holding on barely right now inside the Kumo cloud. Notice how your closing prices have all been north of the bottom of the Kumo cloud, which is good. You're not closing outside of the cloud. So this one I would call the overhead trend line resistance as the initial target, which is around that 20.5 mark. Yeah, it's around the 20.5 mark. So I think that's where it's going. So that's a nice little run right there. That's a nice little something. But then the question will be, can it get over the overhead trend line resistance, which is lining up with top of the Kumo cloud, which means you're going to have, this is going to be a strong resistance area. Can the market get above it once it gets there? That's anyone's guess. You are in the neutral zone, meaning that you are not trending. Okay, you are not trending. You're in a neutral zone. All right. So once again, I would say follow the reports. The report should lead you good. All right. It should put you on the right side of the market. Just follow the report. All right. So that's a wrap. Okay. So what I was saying about the chart. Okay. This is for the subscribers. So if you're not a subscriber, then you don't care about what I'm about to say. Okay, if you go to your dashboard, under the forex report, any pair that I wrote the word forex in the italics up here, all right. If I did that, that's my special by hand ones, and I also have a star by the ticker, by the ticker symbol. And in the description, there's a star in front of the name. All right. On the report, it always has the D with the underscore line on it, and then the symbol. If there's a star right there in front of it, like this one, MXN, there's a star MXN. That's the one, my special reports that I do by hand, my charting I do by hand for the algo chart. It's a little special thing I'm doing for people that trade on ONA or OANDA. All right. If you trade on ONA, that's the pairs you're going to want to trade from the forex report. Okay, just FYI, that's the one you want to use. Now, the Mexican peso will also, I think, show up on the same forex report that does not have the italics or the star. That's the one that I'm getting directly from the general exchange, from the interbank exchanges. All right, so my ONA is the one you're going to want to use if you trade on ONA. You'll find that that's a little bit better results. All right, so just FYI for you dashboard people out there. Okay, all right, that's what it is. Smash that like button, and remember, bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. And I'm out. Peace.